Hello, Rockson. How are you today?
Fine, Musa.
Good boy. So where have you come from today? Did you come by boat or plane?
Plane.
Yeah. Where do you live? Which island?
Choice.
Choice. So it's a long way away. Yeah. And we saw Rockson last year. He had a very wide cleft lip, didn't he? We did some surgery. And how has he been since he had that surgery? He can swim now good? Yeah. Yeah. Eat well? Good. Yeah. And he's a happy boy?
Yeah.
Good. And what did his brothers think of him?
When they see him, they're so happy.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Before they so scared, or when some of the kids see him, they just see him things like maybe from his mouth.
Yes.
And they just treat him like thing that they let's say things like a doll or
Right,
a plate or
right.
like that.
They were scared of him a
Yeah.
bit, yeah.
But now these days they are not scared of him, but they
Yeah.
are so happy.
Great.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
also his mom and dad are so happy because the child is survived now and he's fully complete as a human being. Yeah, before he's not like that.
Yeah. It does look quite strange, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And scary, yeah.
But they're so worried. Oh, if my son will be getting better or not.
Yes.
Their few questions is still in their mind, but now they are so happy.
Great. And I'm pleased that his brothers are happy with him too.
Yeah.
So today we will be fixing the inside of the mouth. So hopefully he can speak better
Yeah.
and eat a little bit better. That would be really good. And then we may need to do still one more surgery next year because it's a very big hole inside, so we may need to do it in 2 stages, but we'll see how we go today. So I'm very hopeful that he will be able to speak quite good and eat quite good. How is his speaking now? Improve.
Better than before.
Great. Can people understand him? Can you understand him?
Before they don't understand what he's saying.
Yes.
Only his mom.
Only his mom. Yeah.
But now we started to understand when he's speaking.
Great.
Yeah, but not properly.
Yes. Yeah. Hopefully that will get better after surgery. Yeah. Great. Okay. Thank you very much.